मैंने शाहरुख सर के साथ एक ड्रंक सीन कर लिया। अगले दिन हमने एक ही नींबू चाट लिया और फिर उनकी बाहों में मैं मर भी गया। इतना नसीब तो शाहरुख सर की हीरोइनों को नहीं मिलता, है ना?
कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट अ मूवी जिसमें आप और कैटरीना मैम दोनों काम कर रहे हैं?
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, आई होप वो जल्दी हो। भगवान ने तब से ही दिया था कि बेटा तेरा एक गाना फटेगा किसी दिन और मैं तुझसे यही करवाऊंगा। सो या, बट तौबा तौबा, यू गेव अ लॉट ऑफ लव, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं सर को भी मजाक मजाक में बोलता था, सर इतने इंटीमेट आप किसी के साथ हुए हो सिनेमा में जितने आप मेरे साथ हुए हो। फॉर मी दिस होल एक्सपीरियंस वाज जस्ट अबाउट गेटिंग टू वर्क विद माय हीरो। इस फिल्म में मेरे इतने सपने पूरे हुए हैं ना। मैंने शाहरुख सर के साथ एक ड्रंक सीन कर लिया। अगले दिन हमने एक ही नींबू चाट लिया और फिर उनकी बाहों में मैं मर भी गया। इतना नसीब तो शाहरुख सर की हीरोइनों को नहीं मिलता, है ना? मैं सर को भी मजाक मजाक में बोलता था, सर इतने इंटीमेट आप किसी के साथ हुए हो सिनेमा में जितने आप मेरे साथ हुए हो। तो वो भी कहता नहीं 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 यार नहीं। So, but he is a legend, he's a king, he's all our favorites, right? There's nobody like him. And when we were shooting the scene, this was again a big monologue, a straight single shot. So Raju sir was very clear that I'm not going to cut. There's going to be just one tracking in, and you just have to give that whole speech about क्या था?
वीजा वाला था ये
हाँ,
वो
ताजमहल आगरा. So so yeah, we did that scene and I'm happy that it came out beautifully well. But for me, this whole experience was just about getting to work with my hero, Shah Rukh Khan.
we can have the next one. Tiger है
So
तू.
Chhawa is not the first time I'm roaring in a film. इसमें भी बहुत roar कराया था मुझे. He's one of the finest actors we have and one of the finest souls you can get to work with, Ranbir. I really love him as an actor, but I love him as a human being as well. And it's a joy to work with him. And when we were shooting Sanju, there was so much exchange of energies, and that was so important between the relationship of Sanju and Kamli that when we were doing this scene, I remember it's one of the most satisfying moments for me because immediately after the scene got over, the monitor was outside where Raju sir was sitting and watching the scene. And when we got done with the scene, he had started crying. And he came to us and with tears in his eyes, he hugged us very tightly. And in happiness, he said a few words which I can't say here. But he was extremely happy. And to see that happening to your director is because he's your first audience when you perform a scene. So वो तभी बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो करते हुए. And this is also a very beautifully written scene by Abhijat sir. The emotional thing that is happening, it makes you cry, it makes you laugh, it makes you chuckle, everything, and more than that, it shows the bonding very strongly in the scene.
Lakshman sir, your memories. This scene is one of his, iconic scenes, if we say, because Tiger hai to Tiger, roar kar. That is there all across, all over the place. What memories you have with this character, this scene, this film?
Actually, राजे के साथ क्या होता है? I think every film he shows different colors. Every film, like कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि ऐसा तो last film में भी देखा था. Every time he's new, he's fresh. So that is why people enjoys him so much because he never repeats. Yeah, so I think मैंने तो बहुत ही enjoy किया, but fun was to watch him doing every time different things.
Next one.
Me with my inspiration. True. मुझे किसके बारे में comment करना है?
The meme, matlab the
Actually, I was quite surprised. I have to tell you, this is from Jeet, right?
yeah.
जीत मुझे याद है जब बचपन में मेरे समर वेकेशंस में हमेशा गांव जाया करता था, पंजाब में मेरा गांव है, तो वहाँ लाइट चले जाया करती थी, केबल नहीं होता था, तो हमारे पास एक ही VHS होता था, जीत। तो मैंने ये फिल्म इतनी बार देखी है ना, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमें यहाँ पे आदत थी कार्टून नेटवर्क देखने की, फलाना देखने की शहरों में, वहाँ पे जाके केबल ही नहीं है तो क्या देखें, अब DD चलता रहता था वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ पे हम जब देखो जीत लगा देते थे। तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है ये भगवान ने तब से ही दिया था कि बेटा तेरा एक गाना फटेगा किसी दिन और मैं तुझसे यही करवाऊंगा। सो या, बट तौबा तौबा, यू गेव अ लॉट ऑफ लव, थैंक यू सो मच।
Next one.
This was I can't remember which award function was that, but this is probably नहीं स्टारडस्ट नहीं था, ये स्क्रीन था शायद, स्क्रीन था ना,
I think Z था.
जी था, जी हाँ। So this was I was hosting and this I think was the first time I ever met her and interacted with her. So स्टेज पे तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब ये जो कान में लगा होता है ये हमेशा आपको पीछे से बोलते रहते हैं कि अच्छा ये वाली ये ऐसे करो वैसे करो, दे कीप गाइडिंग यू एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज यू इट्स स्क्रिप्टेड एंड एवरीथिंग, बट behind the stage it was the first time we introduced to each other formally. Yeah, so that, who knew?
Were you nervous?
No, नहीं nervous क्या हो ना,
चावा नर्वस होता है
but she was extremely sweet. She was extremely sweet. I didn't know that she would be knowing me, but she was extremely sweet.
There's one more they told me last. बहुत
राजी का है ना?
राजी है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
This was, I mean, there's no dramatic story behind it, but this was when we were shooting Razi, one of the initial days. ये set लगाया गया था मीरा रोड पे, where we were shooting this entire house portion. It was my first time working with Alia, and I was genuinely very stunned with by seeing how professional she is and how fantastic she is as an actor. She really can just switch off and switch on, which I've only seen like senior actors do. But she's truly incredible. Like I said before, a very easy actor to work with.
And now, before we wrap up, we have taken questions from the fans over there.
कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट अ मूवी जिसमें आप और कैटरीना मैम दोनों काम कर रहे हैं?
We would love for that to happen, genuinely. But we are waiting for the right script, the right kind of film to come together, because it shouldn't just be made because we are going to be coming together, that we should be the perfect cast for that film, irrespective. And that's the script we are waiting for. And aapke muh mein ghee shakkar, I hope wo jaldi ho, so we are also waiting for that.
And adding to that, what kind of genre you would like to, select for that film?
What kind of genre would you guys like to see us in?
Romance and action.
Romance and action?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And sir, thank you so much for coming in. And I was art assistant in Sam Bahadur.
Huh?
Yes, like I was very like junior.
You were
but-
not on set or what?
No, I
Ah,
was
that's
not.
why.
Yeah, so coming in and seeing you live, it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें।